day friends, I am Dr. Raghuveer Chari from Government Polytechnic Panaji. I am a lecturer at Government Polytechnic Mechanical Engineering Department. I have written two books and they are Scientific Democracy and Hindutva 2.0. The first one is in English and the second one is in Marathi. So it is my pleasure. These are the two books and yeah, and I want all the political leadership and political science students and science students to read these books because there is some reference to the ancient literature of India, and it is more than 3000 years that we are being guided by various books and other forms of religious books also. So both of them I have referred and made this comprehensive guide sort of for the religion as well as what you call the governance. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.